One of the biggest mistakes new players make is expecting instant wins with positive expected value slips. So how long should you actually play before you start seeing results with DigiFantasy? Positive expected value means you're making plays where the odds are tilted slightly in your favor. But here's the truth, even positive expected value slips lose sometimes. In fact, short-term results can feel random because variance is part of the game. Most pros recommend thinking in terms of hundreds of slips, not just a few days. That's where the edge shows itself. Over time, if you consistently play positive expected value slips from DigiFantasy's optimizer, fantasy scores, or middling tool, the math starts to work in your favor. So don't judge the results after a weekend. Judge them after a season of disciplined, consistent play. That's where you'll see the compounding effect of playing with an edge. If you're serious about long-term profit instead of short-term guessing, start using DigiFantasy's positive expected value tools today. I've dropped the sign-up link in the description. Build smarter sleeps now and let the results stack over time.